Bhuvneshwari, your maths educator from Countryside International School. Today, I am here to explain you about even and odd numbers and as well as ordinal numbers. So let's start.
The first topic which I am taking is odd and even numbers. What is an even number? When objects in a collection can be paired, the number is called even numbers. Even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you find these digits at one's place, then these numbers are known as even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on are sequentially even numbers. If you look down, they all are in the pairs. So they all are even numbers. What is an odd number, students? When object in a collection cannot be paired, then the number is called odd numbers. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. If you find these numbers at the ones place, then they are known as odd numbers. How to check a number whether it is even or odd? Let's try one example. Check the last digit. For example, 23. The last digit is 3 and 3 is an odd number. So the number is also odd. 122. The last digit is 2. If the last digit is even, then the number is also even. 109. The 9 is an odd number. So the number is also a odd number. 144. The last digit is 4. If the last digit is even, then number is also even. So students, let's move to the another topic, ordinal number. Ordinal number tell us the position or the order of an object. Like if you are playing or if you are running in a race, who comes first? Who comes second? So that's a position. So we are going to study those ordinal numbers. Look at this picture. First, it is written as 1 and ST, that is first. Second, 2 and ND we write, that means it is second. We read it as second. Third, 3 and RD, third. Then it's the fourth. So we will use TH at the back and we will write it 4 in a number and TH. Then fifth, we will write FIF TH. So 5 and TH, it becomes fifth. Then sixth, then seventh, eighth, ninth. In ninth, we will not write E, NINETH, it's a wrong. We will write NINTH. It becomes ninth. And the last is 10th. Can you look at it? ST, we read it as first, which we have done in the last slide. With one example, I will explain you. If you see here, there are animals. Who is at the first? The lion. Who is at the second? The cock. Who is at the third? The monkey. Who is at the fourth? It's a panda. Who is at the fifth? Frog. Then sixth is eagle. Seventh is the dog. Eighth is duck. Ninth is wolf. And the last, that is 10th, is turtle. So this is known as a position. Okay, so these are known as ordinal number. Students, so let's practice. Write whether the number is even or odd. I have written some of the numbers. You have to find out whether they are even or odd. And there is one more work. So look at the children walking in a line. So you have to write an ordinal number. Can you tell what is the color of the clothes of the children standing at the following position in the line? So some blanks are there that you have to fill it up. So that's for today. That's all for today. Thank you, students.
Bye for now, students. Promise you to be back with another topic. Bye. Thank you.